The Alhaji Muhammadu Bimi, or the one of Ekowi, the Jakiri subdivision. Min in the Alhaji Muhammadu Bimi, have Ekowi on me Wurti has subdivision Boha Jakiri. I've been Alhaji Muhammadu Bimi, I'm from Ekowi, Jakiri subdivision.
Muhammadu Bimi is his name, fondly referred to as Alhaji Muhammadu Bimi. You may think that he hails from any of the three northern regions, as he is fluent in speaking the Fulfulde, one of the local languages widely spoken in the three northern regions of Cameroon. No, he is from the Nsolan in the northwest region of Cameroon. He came to Mayot Dale in the Damawa region in 1984 in search of a gainful employment.
As I finished school, my parents began moying. You know, get away if he send me for college. But I just say if I say me, I come out, I find money where I help myself, where I feel help myself. Then I just check, say me I come now for my other. That man where I can see be na man where pay them for picking them. If you see me so. As how we be gay boys and we in and them feel work that bread, he see me so he glad. He take me as a kid. Me na he stop, he feel me fine. He do everything for me. I know be the check something where if he worry me for sika he be the wool me fight.
Within the years of apprenticeship, Muhammadu Bimi served his master with diligence and dexterity. This made him to be in the good books of his master and made the latter to settle him so that he could start up his own business.
Thing will make me I decide for remain here because as how we and he be separate, I open my bakery, I see we market the work fine. So they draw my heart go before ya. I start with hand, they make them with hand. So as I make them with hand, so he go. I see where I don't get money where I feel find engine. I send them to go bring me engine for Nigeria. Before I start with engine.
As the business kept on flourishing, Muhammadu Bimi went home, that is to the Nsolan, and returned with 5 young men whom he initiated into the business. Today, Alhaji Muhammadu Bimi is married to 2 wives and he counts 12 children. His first wife, Barkisa Bimi, arrived Mayot Dale in 1987.
I've just come here for my first time. Then I cannot really understand the place. That how is this place? They just come and it's not a distance that you leave and come there in the afternoon. We reach in the night and I don't know how the place is. So I come and reach. People entertain me. In the morning, I just came out, look outside, look everywhere. It was so strange. Yes. So there was nothing I could do. I was just looking at every place so strange. I was so shy.
Her early days in Mayot Dale weren't easy, as there were moments she felt like going back to Kumbo in the northwest region of Cameroon where she came from.
When you are staying alone, nobody around, you and your husband, nobody to say. Your husband, when your husband finishes his work in the morning, you just go to the market. You are the one in the house, alone, doing anything, nobody to converse with you. So it was so strange.
Over the years, she became used to her environment and made up her mind to make Mayot Dale her home. Today, she is the pioneer municipal councillor from the English part of Cameroon, serving at the Mayot Dale Council.
1-2 years, so I was used to. Now I was this Fulfulde. I was not hearing how to speak, but now I was used to my neighbors and I was hearing one by one. Now I was used to. There was no problem again. My neighbors' children, they were coming and speaking. They are coming and speaking. Then when I speak, they will laugh. When I speak, they will laugh. Then, as I understand the Fulbe language now, it was normal for me. When I came here, there was an association being created by women, the Banso women. So I was not used to. So when I stayed here for long, they came when they married a woman in that society, in the Mayodale society. And it's a Banso woman, mostly a Muslim. So they will sit in that association, remove 2 savants from there, advise, select 2 women. They will come to that compound and visit that woman. When they visit that woman, they will tell the woman that this is an association. They will converse with the woman. If the woman sees that the association is good, he will just tell his husband. If the husband accepts, so there's no problem. They will give you the to come. I'm the only English woman who is a counselor in Mayodale.
Nous avons une femme anglophone dans notre conseil et puis elle est ici, ça fait plus de 25 ans. Son mari est l'un des plus grands boulangers de la localité et elle fait partie intégrante du conseil municipal. Et elles ont pu mettre en place également une association des femmes de cette localité dans notre village. Et puis tout ce qui se passe ici se déroule dans de très bonnes conditions, d'autant plus que nous ne sommes pas très loin du nord-ouest.
Nous avons une très grande conseillère au nom de Madame Bimi, née à Djabalkissa, qui est une anglophone sortie de Panso, qui s'est très bien intégrée parce que je pense qu'ils ont plus de 30 ans de vie ici. Et nous n'avons que de très bonnes relations au niveau de la commune de Mayodale. Au niveau de notre conseil, on peut s'exprimer soit en anglais, soit en fulfulde, parce qu'il ne faut pas oublier qu'il y a aussi le multiculturalisme qu'il faut promouvoir ici à Mayodale, qui est très bien intégré, parce qu'il y a les 2 langues nationales, l'anglais et le français, qui est très bien intégré ici à Mayodale. À côté de ça, nous avons des multitudes de langues traditionnelles.
Le vivre ensemble à Mayodale est une réalité. Entre toutes ces communautés qu'on retrouve ici, les Bamileke, les Kwanja, les Mambila, les Peul, les Bamoun, les Tikar, les Yamba, les Baya, il y a toutes les sensibilités. Donc Mayodale est un véritable cocktail de toutes les sensibilités. Vivre ensemble est devenu pour nous, c'est une obligation et ça nous va bien. Et nous n'avons pas de problèmes. À Mayodale, vous avez des gens qui sont venus du nord-ouest, du sud-ouest, de l'ouest, du littoral, un peu partout. Et quand vous voyez même la configuration de notre conseil municipal, vous retrouvez presque toutes les tribus. Vous allez trouver des Bamoun, vous allez trouver des Tikar, vous allez trouver des Baya, des Peul, des Kwanja, des Mambila, des Yamba, des Aoussa, des Kanuri. Tout se trouve dans la commune de Mayodale. Et nous n'avons aucun problème. Et nous les intégrons comme conseillers municipaux sans problème. Vous allez trouver sur le plan économique, il y a des activités qui sont tenues par des gens de l'Ouest, qui sont tenues par les gens du Nord-Ouest, qui sont tenues par les gens du Sud-Ouest, du littoral, du centre, sans que ça ne crée aucun problème à qui que ce soit. L'essentiel pour nous, c'est le vivre ensemble qui nous intéresse.
After 33 years of activity, Muhammadu Bimi has become a household name when it concerns bakery-related issues in Mayodale.
He's our head here. So my relationship with the I know he be good man. For the way they roll we, for the way they don't hold we. So the way we don't hold we here, thing where be for first, I know thing where they. So now the relationship I know with the. Yes. You know for Ankade family, you know for Ankade people where they here. Yes, Nigeria not for you.
Thing where I don't do as how I be start that bread for Mayodale. I don't build my house for Mayodale. I build them for Bangso. I get 2 houses for Mayodale. I get the one, I get a house with people they take higher. As how I married my woman, me na eat the work that bread. We don't work with that bread. So I travel for Mecca. I go prayer. I come back the year 2004. It won't be for the year 2013. I sent my woman to Mecca. As my woman come back, they put me at the head family in Mayodale, Joro, Alhaji Muhammad Bimi. So I'm now Joro. They be one put me Joro, where Bangso then no be day together. As they put me Joro, I don't try gather or Bangso, they be now one thing. They be now one thing now.
My husband came and told me that he's hearing that they want to give him this job. I myself, I didn't like it because it is a big thing that he's carrying, because to rule people like this, it's not easy. Because even if you are a good person and you are good with people, from the origin, he's a good person. He's so social to people. He don't have any problem with his neighbors or with anybody. But so far now that you are a big man like that, you must have many problems coming from all angles.
In Mayodale, I am together with the people in Mayodale. I be together with all people from Mayodale. All man from Mayodale, they like me. So if I go village now, people know. Now plenty people they don't know me for village. I go village now only for visit, come back. When I go village, I only make 4-5 days, I come back. Then when I day here on my thing, they okay, I don't get a problem.
As I am the origin of Banso, I cannot leave Banso without any house there. We must build a house in Banso so that anytime when I leave Mayodale, I'll go and enter my house. My home is Mayodale now. We have built our house and we are staying there. So the problem is that anywhere you are sitting, if you don't have any problem of eating, you don't have any problem of if you are sick or your children are sick or something like that, if you don't have any problem of disturbing you, like there is war in that place or there are disturbances in that place, that's your hometown.
Muhammadu Bimi and family have settled in a land hundreds of kilometers away from their ancestral lineage, but yet they consider the place their home.